Good morning, students. Nice to see you once again. Right? In advance, happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. I wish all of you to celebrate with a happy and prosperous and healthy way. Isn't it? Okay, right. Right, guys. We completed our first chapter, that is coordinate geometry in the side of paper 2. Now we are going to talk about the next topic, statistics, which is one of the most important chapters. Since you have seen this chapter from your 6th class onwards, but with different names, frequency distributions, okay, applications of mean, median, mode. So you are having such type of chapter since from 6th onwards. Okay, right. What is meant by statistics? Let us see first of all the definition of the chapter, statistics. Okay, it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, classification and interpretation of data. What is meant by statistics? This is the definition of this chapter, what I am telling you. So what is meant by statistics? It is a branch of mathematics. So mathematics have many number of branches, isn't it? Number system, statistics, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, so number of branches of mathematics. Among them, one of the branches is statistics. A branch of mathematics that deals with in this chapter what we are going to take, what we are going to learn. We are going to learn collection. After then we make classification. After then we make interpretation. So these three works are going in our daily life every day. You know that one? So if your mother wants to cook something in the home, she wants to make biryani. So what she makes first of all? First of all, she collects all the items, isn't it? She collects the rice, she gets the vegetables, she collects the all biryani masala and everything. So then after that one she will classify which one must do first. She will put the rice in the pan, okay. Next she will cook all the vegetables. After then, okay, she will classify the work. After the classification, she will complete the work. After completing the biryani, she will give to you. You eat that one, okay. After eating, you say, "Wow, mom, it's super," isn't it? "Wow, mom, it's super" is called as interpretation. That means you are judging that one, what is we are using, that is called as interpretation. Collection, classification and interpretation, of which we are doing here, we are doing interpretation of the data. So what is meant by data? So when we come to the know what is meant by data, data is the information given to perform a task or work is called data. Okay, to do some work we need some information. So to make a biryani, your mother wants some information. What information she wants? She must know how to cook that one. To cook that one, what elements or what ingredients she wants. She wants rice. So this everything data must be fixed in the mind. So that data is called, that information is called as data. Okay, right. This data is mainly of two types. Okay, Nana? So types of data. The first one is primary data. Primary data. Okay, guys. And the second one is secondary data. Secondary data. So what is meant by primary data and what is meant by secondary data? Primary data is that one which is collected directly by us. which is done directly by us, we call that one as primary data. You understand? Okay, the data collected directly by the person or team is called primary data. Okay, Nana? That means in your school, your PET sir collects the heights and weights of all the students. He will call all the students into the ground. He makes to find the weight and he will find the height. So finding height and weight, he will note them personally by observation. Such type of collection of data is called as primary data. Is that clear? Right. Secondary data. What is meant by secondary data? The data collected by any source which already have the information. Okay, the data collected by any source which already have the information. I want to know about the living style of Gandhiji. Can I go to Gandhiji area or can I go to the period where Gandhiji lives? It's not possible, isn't it? So what we do? We go to the internet or we go to the library, okay, and we search for the information and we write the data. So such a type of data which is collected from an internet or from books or from any other people's is called as secondary data. Okay guys, so primary data and secondary data. Once the information of your heights and weights are noted in a list, in the total year, your PET sir can give that information at any time, isn't it, to the management. So that one also is called as the secondary data. So primary and secondary. Now let me see who is the father of statistics. Who is the person who developed statistics? There are many number of Indian mathematicians here, but they are not known clearly. So we take Mr. Sir Ronald A. Fisher. A is taken as Adam or something, A we don't know clearly. So Sir Ronald A. Fisher is called as father of statistics. Okay, but Indian statistics was mostly developed by Mahalanobis. Nobis. Name the person. Good, keep him in your brains. What is that person name? Mahalanobis. Who is the father of Indian statistics or modern Indian statistics. Okay guys, write these notes and learn it. The next video we continue with the presentation of data. Bye.